MCQ with one or more than one correct answer. A particle is acted upon by a force which varies with position x as shown in the figure. Then work done by the force between 0 to 2 meter is plus 15 Newton, 15 joules. Work done by the force between 4 meter to 6 meter is minus 10 joules. Work done by the force between x 4 meter to x 6 meter is plus 10 joules. Change in kinetic energy between 0 to 6 meter is 50 joules. So let us calculate first the work done in different position from 0 to 4, then 4 to 6, and then overall work done. Then we can check in what are the correct options. Work done, how to calculate? We know work done by force is area under force displacement curve. So first let us calculate work done between 0 to 2 meter. 0 to 2 meter. So area under this curve like this. So half of 5 into 2. Then 5 into 2. 10 plus 5, 15 joules. Then between 2 to 4 meter, work done from 2 to 4 meter. Area under this, 5 into 2, that is 10 joules. Now work done across 4 to 6 meter, half of minus 10 into 2, that is minus 10 joules. Now let us see the correct option. Work done by the force between 0 to 2 meter is 15 joules. So option A is correct. Work done by the force between 4 meter to 6 meter is minus 10 joules. So option B is also correct. Work done by the force between 4 meter to 6 meter is plus 10 joules. Wrong option. Change in kinetic between 0 to 6 meter is 50 joules. Change in kinetic energy is equal to total work done. So this is 15 plus 10, 25 minus 10. So total work done from between 0 to 6 meter is equal to 15 joules. And that should be equal to change in kinetic energy, not 50 joules. It is 15 joules. So option D is wrong. So option A and B are the correct options.